Hi students, welcome to HP Kapadia School. I am Nisha James. I am taking Biology Practical. Today we are going to do the 10th 11th standard Biology Practical, that is the biochemical test for fat. We have already completed the biochemical test of glucose, starch and protein. Now this is the last biochemical test you have to perform, that is biochemical test for fat. In this we have to perform two tests. First one is called translucent test and the second one is called Sudan 3 test. Okay, so now I am explaining with the board. So practical number 10, biochemical test for fat. I told you that we have to perform two tests. First one is called translucent test. So what is this translucent test? In this, first you have to take a drop of oil in a piece of paper. Okay, first you have to apply a drop of oil in a piece of paper. Now you have to rub this gently. After some period of time, you can find that the paper become translucent. You know what is the meaning of translucent? Okay, you can't see the opposite side clearly. That you already learned in primary standard. Okay, now the second test is called Sudan 3 test. In this Sudan 3 test, first you have to take 2 ml of oil in a given test tube. Then you have to add 2 drops of Sudan 3 reagent. Now you have to shake it thoroughly, then you can find appearance of red colored droplets. Okay, so these are the two tests. First one is called translucent test and the second one is called Sudan 3 test. In translucent test, the paper become translucent and in Sudan 3 test, you will get red color or droplets. Now I will show you how to perform the practical. So students, now I am going to tell you how to perform the biochemical test for fat. As I already told you that we have to perform two tests. First one is called translucent test. So for that, this is oil. You have to add 1 drop of oil in a piece of paper. I have taken a piece of paper. Okay. Now you have to rub this. Okay. Then you can find that the paper become translucent. You know the meaning of translucent. The light can pass through it. You can find that light is passing through it. Okay, but you can't find the opposite side. Okay, light is passing through it, but you can't find the opposite side. So this is the meaning of translucence. So this is our first test, translucent test. Now I am going to perform you the second test, that is called the Sudan 3 test. For that, you have to take 2 ml of the oil. Now you have to add little quantity of water and you have to dilute it. Okay, so I have taken water in a beaker. I have added 1 or 2 drops of water. Now you have to shake it properly. Then you can find the bubble, oil droplets. Okay. Now you have to add the reagent, that is the Sudan 3. Okay. Now I am adding Sudan 3. Okay. Sudan 3 I have already transferred in one of the test tube. So you have to add 2 to 3 drops of Sudan 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to shake it properly. Okay. So you can find that already we got transparent droplet, oil droplet. Now it has changed to red color. Okay, you can find the red color droplet. Okay, so this is the confirmation for presence of fat in your unknown solution. Okay, so this is also very important. So in biochemical test of fat, how many tests we have to perform? We have to perform two tests. First one is called translucent test. In that I told you that you have to add 1 drop of oil in a piece of paper. Then you have to rub it. Then after rubbing, the paper become translucent. Okay, now second one, I told you that you have to take 2 ml of the oil. Then you have to add 2 drops of water and you have to dilute it. How you will dilute it? By mixing the test tube thoroughly. Then you have to add 2 drops of the Sudan 3. You can add Sudan 3 with a dropper or otherwise in a test tube, just like I did now. Okay, you have to transfer a little amount of Sudan 3 in a test tube. Okay, and you have to pour 2 drops of Sudan 3 in the given test tube. You have to shake it properly. When you shake it properly, the color, the droplets color will turn to red. So this is our practical. This also can be asked for examination. Okay, thank you.